Innovation has always been part of the Navy Yard's DNA, from the days of powering the U.S. fleet to today's breakthroughs in biotech and advanced manufacturing. This campus has been where bold ideas take shape.
The Navy Yard was a pretty incredible place, not just in Philadelphia, but in the country. For over 125 years, this was really one of the Navy's leading sites for innovation, both in shipbuilding and naval aircraft production. It was the first place for that. So really a lot of firsts here, a lot of science and technology.
So we have been down here at the Navy Yard for 115 years this November. Originally established in November of 1910 by Admiral George Melville. Our core values are in the land-based testing that we still do today. We're now officially a defense lab tasked with the full engineering spectrum from basic science and technology and research and development all the way through delivering technologies to the warfighter. I like to describe us as the Navy's Marine engineers. So for us, pushing that forward is about greater efficiency, increasing power density, and ensuring that we can get more out of the systems that we field onto our ships. It's an ecosystem where we can leverage relationships, just the access to our waterways, being part of one of the largest cities in the nation. That just provides us world-class talent, resources, and an attractive industry base.
And that work continues today. The Navy's still one of our top employers and really leading the charge on some really exciting technologies that, protect our country and our soldiers all across the world.
One thing that became very clear to us is that we needed a larger space. We were running out of production space. We were running out of space for our research and development and our genomics center that we have. And so we quickly said, what's most important to us is, one, staying in the city of Philadelphia. The city has given us so much to be here and has given us so much support over the years, the community as well as the city and the state of Pennsylvania. And so we started our search in the Philadelphia region, and the Navy Yard, it became apparent to us that this would be the best location for us for a variety of reasons to move our business and still stay within the city of Philadelphia. We wanted it to have a kind of a campus and collegiate feel, which is part of the culture that we built. The buildings here are being built for life science. They're being built for production environments as well. The building was able to handle our requirements from humidity, from an air handling standpoint, so that we could get the environmental control around our production areas. Philadelphia and a lot of locals here, we kind of call it and say, we're very much becoming Silicon Valley. All of the future of healthcare and a lot of the most cutting-edge therapies in cell and gene therapy are, one, being researched here in the city of Philadelphia, and then being developed by many of the organizations that have decided to locate and grow here in Philadelphia. We wanted to be around that ecosystem. We have the collegiate atmosphere of the Navy Yard, but we're also surrounded by some of the most cutting-edge therapeutic companies in the world that are surrounding all of this campus and are part of the campus.
The Navy Yard is a very impressive site. We have an ecosystem that's working and developing of the next generation of advanced therapies. Almost 1 million jobs are going to be created over the next 5 to 10 years. These jobs require advanced degrees, require workforce development that is fluent in the latest innovative technologies. It is probably one of the best places to be able to create companies and fill the pipeline very quickly. One of the greatest benefits I've seen is the central green, nicely located in the Navy Yard. It is a great place for people to socially interact, get a workout done, and have a food truck that is located for the benefits of socialization. Those are some of the benefits I highly encourage companies to use and leverage, because that's what builds their corporate culture at a very low cost, given all the infrastructure is right there.
We had a number of industrial companies in the shipyard that really got the whole thing going. Urban was a game changer. And as things progressed over time, we got more and more companies, and it's a really exciting campus. We have parks, we have great public spaces, a lot of programming for workers in the community. We're set to keep growing over the next 25 years.
One of the projects we're most proud of, Acker Shipyard. The shipbuilding industry in the U.S. effectively died. It's all been transported abroad, and we're down to maybe 1 or 2 shipbuilding companies. And to bring that back, That's a core industry. And I think the city of Philadelphia is really proud. I think the country was really proud of that.
The Philadelphia or the Philly shipyard stood out because we felt it was a great way to expand our business globally, to participate in the U.S. market, and help the U.S. government with some of its priorities with respect to shipbuilding.
We have an apprenticeship program where somebody with no experience can come in and learn how to be a shipbuilder. It takes roughly 36 months for us to teach them. Today we have over 150 apprentices. Within a couple of years, we want to bring in over 240 apprentices each year.
The second Councilmatic District is the economic engine here in the city of Philadelphia, and the crowning jewel in the second Councilmatic District is the Philadelphia Navy Yard. It has produced thus far 16,000 plus jobs, and that goes toward creating a stronger workforce, as well as making sure diverse businesses, including Black and brown and women-owned businesses, have an opportunity to participate in all the development that's taking place in the Navy Yard. The Philadelphia Navy Yard is welcoming to anyone who wants to come down there and enjoy the great amenities that the Philadelphia Navy Yard has to offer. The more businesses and corporations that we recruit to the Philadelphia Navy Yard, the more jobs we will have to provide opportunities for individuals. I believe the Navy Yard is going to play a critical role and be the linchpin as it relates to us eliminating poverty here in the city of Philadelphia in the future.
Today, we're up to 15,000 employees and on track to double that over the next 25 years. So really an exciting milestone, and we're looking forward to just continuing to deliver good quality jobs for the city.
The Navy Yard is a place where innovation thrives, where breakthroughs in science, technology, and industry are shaping the future. But its impact goes beyond labs and manufacturing floors. The real story lies in the people who power this place and the community that has grown around it. From cultural connections to shared spaces, the Navy Yard has become more than a hub of ideas. It's a place of belonging, and that's where our story continues.